this is Shubhi. Welcome to the Bindi on top and that makeup Azel. This will be my first video, and in this video I am gonna be starting with the most important skincare step, that is moisturization, and how to prep your skin, how to give your skin nice and beautiful glow from within, to hydrate your skin the right point. I have learned a lot of myths that oily skin does not need a lot of moisture, and that is the biggest myth anybody could say. Okay, oily skin also needs a lot of moisture. It's just that it needs it in a different form. It needs it in a gel form, not in the cream form as the dry skin people needs. So what I feel is कि जो भी हमारे घर में है, that is really good for our skincare, and that's enough to take care of our skin. Yes, I know these DIYs and all these things take a lot of time, and it takes something कि बहुत ऐसा हमको लगता है कि it takes a lot of energy, and that's why we just want some products जो कि हम खरीद लें. Okay, so I have great DIY for moisturization, and that is honey and nimbu. What is the best about honey and lemon as a combination? Honey is a great antibacterial which clears the pores of an oily to combination skin person, and what lemon does is to clarify and give the skin a brightening effect, and to clear all your acne scars and what you don't like to just show up underneath your makeup. So yes, you can use it, use this DIY as a regular mixture, and use it almost every day, or you can alternate between. I will be coming up with further more videos, so just stay tuned. Okay. I have some honey in here. We can just squeeze the lemon, just some drops. Okay, you can just mix the mixture with your finger. Okay, and apply this mixture on your whole face like this. What honey helps in as well is to treat your pre-aging, and helps you stay at bay with all the wrinkles, and it's really good for everyday moisturization, and you can see results in just 1 or 2 weeks. These are natural remedies, so they will take time, but once they will be incorporated in your skin routine, they will be just fab. Okay. Leave this mixture for around 10 to 15 minutes and then just wash it off. Yes, and you can keep that mixture for around 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can wash it off either with ice cold water if you have pores issues, and if you want to just have an instant glow, you can wash it with warm water. Bye. I hope you like it, and it's a great DIY and a remedy which you can try on alternate day basis to give your skin the moisture and hydration you really want for. Okay.